Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see the live section on your Red Note app on your iPhone. So if you want to see the live section like how you see on TikTok, Red Note has a live section as well, and I'll show you where to find it. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store, you want to search for Red Note, and you want to go ahead and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, once you're in the app, make sure you're on home here at the bottom left. And now at the top here, you'll see follow, explore, and nearby. And down below here, you'll see all the subcategories. So you've got for you, live, fashion, food, and manicure, and many more. However, if you want to find live, then go ahead and tap on live. This will now show you all the live feeds in Red Note. So go ahead and browse through these and tap on the ones that you like or you want to see. And tapping on it will show you the live feed. So there you go, guys. That is how to see live feed on your Red Note app on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.